Long division with remainders using Kelly's number chips. This is the New Year's version. So it starts with definitions of dividend, divisor, and quotient, and it shows where that would go in the problem, each one of these parts. And just begins with long division showing where these numbers go. So if you have 43 divided by 5, that 43, the dividend is going to go in the box. Students are going to start on slide 4. They're going to be moving these colorful number chips into the correct circles. So you're going to just start with placing the numbers correctly. So this is fairly easy for the students, but it gets them in the habit of putting the numbers in the correct place. So just 37, and you just click and hold on the edge of one of these circles and move it right into place. Every slide has every number that the students need. So if they end up with a number left over that doesn't work, then they need to go back and check and see where they made their error. So this slide is just putting numbers in the correct place, and they'll use every single number. The next slide is instructional, so it gives them that acronym DMSBR, Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, for the steps in long division. So if we had 14 divided by 4, the first step is divide. 4 goes into 14 3 times with 2 left over. So on slide 6, now students are just going to be looking to see how many times each of these numbers go into their dividend. So 9 goes into 67 7 times. So they move to 7. There's going to be some left over, but this is just the first step, the division. 7 goes into 24 3 times. And 4 goes into 5 1 time. Then they move on to the second step. So it's just walking them through the steps. So 37 divided by 6, they're going to move. They know where the numbers go now. And the first step is divide. 6 goes into 37 6 times. And now the second step is multiply. So they're going to be multiplying the numbers on the outside. 6 times 6 is 36. So that's just the first 2 steps in long division. Divide, multiply. They're going to continue that same problem on the next slide. So they already know where the numbers go. 37 divided by 6. 6 goes into 37 6 times. And the colors don't matter. So then they're going to multiply. They get 36. 6 times 6 is 36. And the next step is subtract. So now with this problem, they already have their answer. The answer is 6. So they're shown here that the quotient is 6, and they have 1 remainder. Because they can no longer, 6 will not go into 1, so this is their answer with a remainder. Now they've got several other problems that they're going to solve in the same way. And again, every number is on every slide. So if they get to the end and there is a number that doesn't work, they need to go back and check their work again. So they have several problems here they're going to solve, all with number chips. So this is long division with number chips, and this is the New Year's version.